Hello guys, welcome back to the HTML tutorial. In this lecture we are going to study further. So first of all, let we have look tables. Table. Guys, in HTML we choose tables then when we need to have data in the form of rows and columns. As you can see, table will be always contain and on rows and columns. Okay, so if we want to create a table in HTML, we have a table tag. Okay, let's say simple, and now let's tr means table row. And if you see a table, there will be a first one table heading like that, and for that we use table heading th. Let's say we have table heading first name. Okay, so let me copy this one so we can get multiple. Okay, just one is okay. Let's say first one name, second one age, and last one let's say gender. Okay, this one, okay, let me save it and refresh it. Here you can see we got a name, age, and gender, but it not looking like that table yet. Okay, so let's say we have another table row, and let's say td data. Okay, let's say name, sign, and let's say age is 23. Okay, so last one gender, let's say male, and save it, refresh it. Here you can say we still not get like that table, that we need to use a little bit CSS. As you can say, if we want to use internal CSS, then we need to add style tag first of all. Okay, so this one, let's say table. First of all, let's say width, we want 55% is okay. Let's say border 2 pixel solid black border we want, and let's say border color paste. Okay, now save it, refresh it. Here you can say we got name, age, gender, but it's still not looking good. Okay, let's say table heading and table data. Let's say first of all text elegant, center, and let's say border 1 pixel solid black is okay. Save it, refresh it. Here you can see we got a name, age, gender, but it's still not looking very well. Okay, for that let's say padding 10 pixel, and margin let's also have 10 pixel. Margin means you can say it's a space like that. Save it, refresh it. Here you can say we got it, it's good, looking good. Okay, but if we add some colors it can be more beautiful. Table heading, let's say background color pink, and table data background color, let's say light blue. Save it, here refresh it. Here you can see we got it, it's beautiful looking. Okay, we can add multiple table data. Let me see. Okay, let's say we have Aliza name. Okay, she's also 23. Let's say she is female, and save it. Here, refresh it. Here you can say we got it. It's looking beautiful, very nice. Now let's talk about div. So first of all, what is div? In simple words, you can say div is a container of other HTML element. Like simple, it's a very simple definition of div. Div like that, you can set vision like that. Okay, let's say we have h3. You can give any name. Let's say we are talking about div. Okay, so like that you can give. Okay, now save it. Here you can see it. Okay, we can also give like this one is paragraph. Okay, and let me write a dummy paragraph. Okay, save this one and refresh it. Hey guys, you can see we got this one. Okay, so like that it is visions like that, you can say it's work like this one. Okay guys, now let's talk about classes. Classes, you can say that if we want to use multiple times we can use classes. Okay, so here we come. Let's say class will always start from with dot. Let's say we have a person, name of class is person, and let's say color, text of color is like you can say pink. Okay, and padding 10 pixel. Okay, so like this. Okay, let me zoom. Okay, so let me delete this one. Okay, now let's say div. Okay, and we can add our class into the div. Just simply say class, and let's say person, let's say h2. You can give any title, let's say classes, and here write some dummy paragraph like previous. Okay, so this one is some dummy paragraph. Guys, now come here again to our person class. Okay, so what if we want to background color? Let's say background color, let's say black, and save it. Guys, here you can see we got it. Background color is black and text color is pink. So like this it's work. Okay, so you can say we just simply add our class here and we got our results. Okay, now guys, let's talk about IDs. You can say IDs and class are both same, but there is some difference. First of all, let me create a class here. Class will always create with hashtag. Let's say this, just simply we give the name of ID is this. Let's say color, we have red, and background color, let's say we have red. Okay, now give another div. Okay, so let's say ID, we, the name of ID is this. Okay, so let's say h2. I am a ID, I am inside the ID, you can say. Okay, ID. So that was very simple. Save it. Oh sorry, and refresh it. Here you can see we got it. am. Oh my god, because we choose the color red. We should use the color of, let's say, background color. Let's say we have black instead of red, so that we can see our text. Refresh it. Here you can say we got it. I am inside the ID. So guys, like this it's work. We can use multiple times class, but we cannot use ID multiple times. Let me show you another example for class. Let's say we have another div, and let's say class name is person. Already we would find it. Let's say h3. I am also inside the class. Okay, let's save it and refresh it. Here you can say we still got it. Text is pink and background color is black. So like this IDs and class work. Guys, now let's talk about HTML/JS. Okay, first of all let me delete this one. Okay, like here. Okay guys, we can use JavaScript inside the HTML, and often we use, there will be a scripting tag. Okay, like this is a JavaScript we can add here. Okay, so like simply, and in the body section or in the even in the head section we can add, and we can link like this one, index.css. if we want to add a JavaScript file, just we need to add JS. Okay, like this. Yes, so simple. Okay, but if you want to learn more about JavaScript, I have a course on my YouTube channel, and in the description section I paste the link. You can go and learn. Hope you will enjoy that too. Okay, so that was about JavaScript. Okay, now let's talk about HTML layout. Okay, every website contain on some different kind of sections. Let's say header. Okay, so you can say, you can give any heading. Let's say we just say header, and let's say we have section and the navigation bar, and let's say another list. Just I'm giving you examples. Okay, let's say list, home. Okay, let me copy this one, and okay, home. Let's say another one, say blog, about us. Let's say like this, you will see. And last one, let's say contact. Okay, like this it's working. And let's say another one more section. Oh sorry, let's say section, and let's say article, or you can even inside the article can be a site. Okay, like this one you can add. Okay, and the at the end of we will have footer. Let's say footer, and about websites, copyrights and details, you can say there will be footer, like summary type. Let's say I am a footer. So like this is work. Guys, this was very basics about HTML in this tutorial we learned. So hope you will enjoy and like it, and in the comment section tell me what kind of video do you want more, and I would love to hear your suggestions. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Feel